Okay, we're looking at a 71 Buick GS 455 car, air car with power steering, brakes, power top. It's got the N27 cutout rear for the exhaust, speed control, power windows. Motor's running right now. Ram air. I think those are called Series 15 wheels or something, I don't know. Paint's very straight down the sides. It's definitely been wet sanded and buffed. Chrome is fresh. Fresh tires. Rip in the top. Very, very nice metallic in the car. It's probably got more metallic in it than there should be from the factory. Rally mirrors, rally sport wheel. All the windows go up and down perfectly. Top goes up and down perfectly. And the trunk is very nice also. I don't know if I can get the trunk open without the keys. Trunk is beautiful. Tail lights, the silver part needs to be redone. Overall, nice car. It's what you call a daily driver. All turnkey and working. Alright, that's it.